Close your eyes and concentrate for a second. Inhale, lift your hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, bend forward, put your hands on the bricks. Inhale, push on your palms, stretch your spine, watch forward. Exhale, gently bend your legs. Put gently the first knee on the floor and then your second one. Bend gently your elbows and reach the floor. Inhale, push your hands, stretch your elbows and your upper body to the ceiling. Exhale, point your toes, push all the way back with your hands. If your feet are not on the floor, step forward. Breathe deeply 5 counts and try to look at your navel. Bend your legs, inhale, step forward with your first leg, then with your second. Exhale, relax your spine, your neck and your head. Inhale, stretch all your body up and your hands to the ceiling. And release.